What's up, people? It's us again. It's me, and it's her. And we're gonna do something a little different today. We've done gameplay videos, and we've done some arts and crafts and some stuff like that. Today we're gonna do. Hey, where are you going? Today we're gonna bake a breakfast pizza. So here we have our pizza crust. We went with Boboli. Boboli, hey, oh, hey, you guys over here. We're starting with we're gonna throw down some cheese. Try to get it on the pizza.
It is on the pizza.
Like, if you can. You need a bottom coat and a top coat. Not like a jacket, like a fancy jacket that you might wear to a ball. Not that kind of top coat. I had my finger in the shot the whole time. That was fun. What if I cut my finger off on video? Would you laugh?
Yeah.
Should I go ahead and post it?
Yeah.
Just put like a disclaimer in the description, like warning, graphic violence. I don't like how fast you replied to that.
Well, I would have been concerned first, but then...
While you're laughing hysterically?
No, I would be concerned for you and for the meat because it has blood all over it. But, like, afterwards, I'd laugh because it would be funny.
Maybe get like a cool hook for a finger. And go. Yes. Now we're gonna do some cheddar-filled smoked sausages. I'm gonna chop those up, throw them on there. You got this. Like a seasoned pro. Good job. Woo. Now we're doing our eggs. Now we're gonna dice up our eggs real good. You're doing a great job. Just real bang up stuff. Grade A. A class act, some might say. Throw our top layer of cheese on here. Just enough to kind of, as it melts, to hold it all together. Okay. We're ready for the oven. So now, as a finishing touch, we're going to take our bacon and break it up into crumbs and kind of sprinkle the top. Basically our topping. We get it nice and crispy. We're not some of them people that like their bacon all like rubbery and gross. Here's the final product. And now for you're dropping stuff everywhere.
Well, too bad.
And now for the judge.
It's hot.
Don't hold it upside down, crazy person.
I'm not.
Hold it like you would a slice of pizza. Anyway, we did it. Thanks for watching. Super appreciate it. If you like this, check out my other stuff. I'll put the link in the video to my channel. And hop over there and subscribe if you want it. Until next time, I've been me, and she's been her, and we'll catch you later.